Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to cancel Svelte subscription on few steps. If you are struggling to cancel your Svelte membership through the app, unfortunately the Svelte app doesn't currently support in-app cancellation. But don't worry, here is a quick and easy way to do it online. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to given description link or sevlettraining.com/contact. Then scroll down and find need to cancel your subscription section and click on the provide link. Enter the email address associated with your Sevlet account and click look up for the subscription. Follow the on-screen instruction to confirm your cancellation. If you encounter any issues or prefer assistance, you can reach out to Sevlet customer support. You can just email on support@sevlettraining.com, or you can call them their number, which is 317 662/2322. For international support number and additional information, visit their contact us page. Remember, it is always a good idea to check your email for cancellation confirmation to ensure process is complete.